Look, Mallory. What is that?
That is snow.
Look how
it's snowing
big
in Arizona, people.
That's big hail. Don't eat it off the floor. Let me see. Wow.
That is frozen snow.
Wow.
This is from Arizona, and it's actually snowing.
No way.
This way. And this is some snow that we caught.
Oh my God.
Why haven't you done that? Go out there.
No. It might clonk you in the head. Look, I want to...
So, it doesn't hurt.
Wow. Okay, back in.